For traditional incumbent consulting firms, AI is challenging their business models. Their large teams, their pyramid structures, the way they bill on a time and materials basis is all up for grabs when you overlay the impact AI will have on those business models. Elixirr was made for AI. Elixirr's business model was intentionally created to be nimble, to be agile, and to have this cylindrical shape, so we had as many people adding value at senior levels as we do at the more junior levels of our organization. Our cylindrical shape means that AI is not going to be undermining the very bottom of a traditional consulting pyramid, because we don't have reams of people that are being billed on a time and materials basis to our clients. So there is no value to undermine in the way that we're going to market. We've been watching the way AI has been playing out in the market and intentionally incorporating it into our capabilities that we can give to clients, but also into our business model. We've been working in the field of AI, machine learning, and latterly generative AI for 10 years. What clients are looking for are shorter, sharper engagements that take strategy through to execution and deliver ROI. AI enables Elixirr to deliver these types of consulting engagements faster and with higher value outcomes. Elixirr has always focused on outcomes-based pricing versus time and materials pricing. It's in everyone's interests, ourselves and our clients, to deliver outcomes, to deliver value quickly. And AI just supports us to be able to do that. We've always seen AI as an incredible opportunity. It has been, it currently is, and it will continue to be an opportunity for us to create new revenue, to deliver more revenue, and to be more efficient as a business.
What we've done is we've structured all of our internal data, think proposals, past projects, deliverables, SOWs, into this advanced data layer that we can build AI on top of to drive workflows. So for example, we've built one AI in particular that helps us get proposals out to our clients faster. And so all it takes is a consultant or a partner to go and have a conversation with our AI. It then can go into past examples of where have we done the work, what were best practices, what were the timelines, etc., and then pull all of that together in a couple of minutes. And this takes us and enables us to get proposals out instead of taking days or in some cases weeks to now hours. Another example I like to point to is with our legal team. Our legal team has really embraced AI with incredible guardrails as well as security on top of it, but enables us to get contracts in and out, back and forth to clients a lot faster. So instead of having to go through multiple reviews with every single SOW as an example, we can now do the back and forth, generate a good first version based on our best practices and based on those guardrails a lot faster, which decreases how long it takes us to be able to be responsive with clients. One of the things that we do that I think is different from a lot of our competitors is we actually like to blend our technical and non-technical AI teams together. And so what that means is that where you might traditionally go in to do a strategy project with just a team of consultants, business experts, etc., we will actually add in our AI engineers onto that project. And the reason that we do this is because that cross-pollination between the two sides of expertise, the business with the technical, takes projects to the next level. It means that an AI engineer can look at a problem from an AI perspective and say, this is what's possible, and then help our consulting team understand how then they could drive an operating model or a strategy moving forward, and vice versa. The business can then give the technical team more information about what needs to get done, what's the business value that we're trying to create. And so we're able to create new outcomes for our clients that really weren't possible before. This takes a couple different flavors for us. One is that we'll do custom builds. So whether that's taking an off-the-shelf model like GPT-5 from OpenAI, Claude from Anthropic, and applying it to a business challenge, we'll go in with our AI engineering team to a client's environment and actually build them technology from the ground up. Another thing that we do because of the acquisition of Responsum is that we also have our own technology. So we really think of these as accelerators for us for projects. So one of the most common things that we hear from clients right now is, I want to have all these AIs that are working inside of my business. We always like to ask, okay, how are those AIs going to get work done? Can they talk to each other? Can they be orchestrated to combine things together? And a lot of times the answer is like, don't know. And so that's one of the core pieces of technology that we have in our accelerators, is that we're able to stand up that core agentic infrastructure, if you will, for our clients a lot faster. So that provides us an edge. That means that we can get that deployed and start building and thus creating value for them a lot faster. We're also starting to work on building out some of our own proprietary agents that we can then deploy inside of client environments. So we're able to look across all of our projects for patterns and commonalities and say, hey, whenever we work with an engineering team, they all need an agent, or they all want an agent to help with writing specs or for fixing bugs. And so if we're able to create a best-in-class agent for doing that, that means that we're then able to license that almost as if it's software back to our clients. And that creates another competitive advantage for us and a reason to stay engaged over the long term, because now we're able to sort of let our clients hire in our agents to be part of their team moving forward.